So far, we've been executing our commands directly inside our MySQL command line. But in this video, we'll be talking about another technique that we can use, and that's using a .sql file, that is a system file for MySQL type servers, and load the commands that are stored in that SQL file inside our MySQL databases. First, we create a .sql file inside our MySQL directory. In Linux, it's inside the var directory. I use vim editor to create this file and go to var web MySQL, that is a system directory for MySQL installation, and here I want to create a file called data.sql. And here I can insert some data, some commands that I want to execute. Let's take a look at the table structure that we want to work on it. In the previous videos, we were working on the lessons table inside MySQL underscore tutorials database. Now I do a select star from lessons to see the records, and here we have 6 records here. Let's say that we want to create a command that inserts some data inside this table. So I go to the SQL file and type insert into lessons. Here will be the column names, and after the values keyword will be the actual data. The columns that I want to work on are ID and title, and the values for it will be ID 7, it comes after the 6th one, and inside quotations, as we are about to put a string, we can do something like this: executing command from external .sql file, and this will be the title of the 7th row that we want to insert. So this is the insert command that we talked about before that, but inside this insert we can put everything, as said, everything that is available to MySQL command line can be put here. I just save this file here, and now we have a file in this directory with this name. Let's copy this, and here we just need to type source and then the path to the SQL file. If I type this and press enter, the query will be executed, and now if I type select star from, we will see that the new record have been inserted, and this is the command that we have executed from our txt file. Now let's give another example, and here is the file again. Instead of this insert command, if I type, for example, delete from lessons where ID equals 7 and save this file and execute it again, you will see that the 7th record is terminated. I just gave this second example for you to see whatever command that is available for MySQL command line is available for MySQL files as well. Otherwise, don't worry about that delete or where clause. We will be talking about them in detail in the future, so you will see how we can work with those type of statements. So this is the way that we can use an external .sql file to execute any type of MySQL command on our server.